Yo guys, this is Brian. So I would like to let you know that I'll be playing at the Strawberry Festival organized by the Young Mind Entertainment Group on the 25th of this month. It means this coming Saturday at RBDSA football ground, Umrai, Bhoirumbang. So guys, be there to witness my performance for you all. Thank you.
Summer nights, all aligned, as we drown in the moonlight. We collide in plain sight. Yeah, I know we'll be alright. And we come alive, we running out with strangers, 'cause in the end we're all familiar faces.